As a leading UK manufacturer of fixed seating systems for over half a century, CPS offers the most select and comprehensive range of lecture theatre seating to accommodate the very latest styles and trends in course delivery to maximise audience engagement. We have designed, manufactured and installed lecture theatre seating into many top colleges and universities throughout the UK and further afield. Our dedicated team can adapt and develop seating solutions to accommodate your exact needs and efficiently handle any seating project no matter how big or small. Our seating can be securely fixed onto existing tiering or any flat or sloped floor area as desired by the client. We can also design, manufacture and install any tiering structure that is required for your project. Our well-regarded lecture theatre seating range is covered by our lifetime warranty and is also accredited with AIRO acoustics and noise control.